Imeya yaseGoli uDada Morero ihlangabezane nembibizane namhlanje ngesikhathi itshelwa ezikabhoqo isakhamuzi esikhala ngokugqoza kwamanzi. Lokhu kwenzeke ngaphambi nje kokuba uMorero ethule umbiko mayelana nezingqinamba ekuhlinzekeni zakhamuzi ngamanzi esithangamini sabezindaba eGoli namhlanje.
Izakhamuzi zaseGoli zifuna impendulo ngokugqoza kwamanzi kanti zithi ayisakwazi ukulinda.
No, the briefing can wait. I've been respectful. I've been respectful for a year. I've been respectful for a year, right? Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is Moritz Prela.
Moritz Prela. What's your question?
My question is, when am I going to have water at night in Brixton? When will my community have water when I get home at 7 o'clock at night? When can I have a shower? You can smell me. I haven't had water for 24 days. But
Morero uthi baseyinhlelweni zokulungisa yonke iqalasizinda ekhahlamezekile ukuze izakhamuzi zithole amanzi anele.
We have invested just around 800 million as part of dealing with the infrastructure backlog in the area of Region B. So there's work that's being done.
Morero uvumile namhlanje ukuthi kuyenzeka izakhamuzi zithole izitatimende zokukhokhela amanzi engawasebenzisanga kanti uthi lokhu kuzolungiswa maduze.
Especially for Joburg Water, we have seen a 90% success rate in terms of our billing, which is good. However, as we are saying, there are instances where we have billed people who have not had water for the longest period. Those we will then effect the reversals and the adjustments.
uMorero ubhekene nezinselele eziningi njengoba kube khona imizamo yokumkhipha esikhundleni. Uthi yena usakulungele ukuba imeya yaseGoli kanti akayindawo.
I'm still fit to hold the job. And over and above the water business, there are a number of issues that the city of Joburg has had successes on in terms of service delivery.
Kusenjalo izakhamuzi zaseGoli namaphethelo zibambe umbhikisho zikhala ngamanzi namhlanje.
This is not something new. It's been going on for months and months, actually over a year. In some areas like Coronationville, they've had no water for years and years. It's sporadic.
So it's about time that we all stand up as a city together against this government that is absolutely neglectful, does not have answers for us, and is outsourcing all of their responsibility and all of their accountability to the entities and telling us it's Joburg Water's fault and the boards.
Izakhamuzi ezibhekene nenselele yamanzi zinethemba lokuthi inkulumo kaMengameli izolufaka nodaba lokwentuleka kwamanzi.